want to tell you one more thing about deploying iOS apps to real device and automating them via Appium. So you must have already gone through this video. So sometimes what happens is that you don't have the APP file with you, but you have an IPA file with you. So suppose you are working with a developer who has given you an IPA file. What you can do is you can and that developer is using some kind of a CI/CD pipeline. So you will either give your Apple ID or your UD ID of your particular device to install that particular IPA on your real iOS device or your real iPad device, whatever. And if you don't have the app file with you, and if you have the real IPA or you have installed the iOS app from the Apple App Store, the other way to automate apps on a real iOS devices, what you can do is you can just follow through this project. Next you have to comment out line 62, that is options.set capability update WDA bundle ID com.ok. So okay, you don't need that, you just comment this out. And also check if you have a WebDriver agent app inside your real iOS device, because this line 62 installs a WebDriver agent app, WebDriver agent runner. So uninstall that as well. Comment out line 62 and comment out line 55 as well, because you don't have the app file with you, right? So you can comment out that as well. And next what you can do is uh, whatever is your first test case of automation, inside that you can just add this thing over here. So here you can actually, you only need this thing to launch any kind of an app. So but to launch your particular app you need the bundle identifier, and here you can see I am passing the bundle ID, and this is the bundle ID of the Photos app on Apple. Okay, so yeah, and here we are executing it and launching the app, as you can see over here. And next, later on you can do automation as you do it previously. So you can ignore this for now, but these three lines are very important. So if you want to launch a particular app and if you don't have the app file with you, you can just use the bundle identifier, ask the bundle identifier from your developer, he will definitely have that. Yeah, so yeah, just pass the bundle identifier and it will launch your app. For Android as well, I think there is a possibility of launching a particular activity, but I don't have the code with me now. But yeah, you can look into how to launch a particular activity of a particular app. So you would require package name as well as a particular activity if you don't have the apk file with Android. But typically with Android you do get the apk file. For iOS it is just more restrictions. So yeah, use this line of code and you can launch any kind of an app if you want on your real iOS device, as long as that app is already installed on your device. So yeah, thank you for watching, bye.